तुम कौन हो? Who are you? Who are you? क्या ये तुम्हारा है? Is this yours? Is this yours? तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है. I need this. I need this. क्या मैं इसे ले सकता हूँ? Can I take this? Can I take this? तुमने ये कब बनाया? When did you make this? When did you make this? मुझे अपना नाम बताओ. Tell me your name. Tell me your name. क्या ये मुश्किल है? Is it difficult? Is it difficult? क्या ये आसान है? Is it easy? Is it easy? क्या तुमने इसे सुना? Did you hear this? Did you hear this? ये किसके बारे में है? What is this about? What is this about? क्या तुमने उससे पूछा? Did you ask him? Did you ask her? मुझे अभी बताओ. Tell me now. Tell me now. मुझे इंतज़ार करना होगा. I will have to wait. I will have to wait. ये किसने दिया? Who gave this? Who gave this? क्या ये तुम्हारे लिए है? Is this for you? Is this for you? क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? तुमने ये क्यों लिया? Why did you take this? Why did you take this? मुझे कुछ चाहिए. I need something. I need something. तुमने उसे क्या दिया? What did you give him? What did you give her? क्या वह तुम्हारा दोस्त है? Is he your friend? Is he your friend? ये किसने लिखा? Who wrote this? Who wrote this? ये किसके लिए है? Who is this for? Who is this for? क्या वह सच है? Is that true? Is that true? तुमने क्या सुना? What did you hear? What did you hear? ये बहुत पुराना है. This is very old. This is very old. क्या ये नया है? Is this new? Is this new? क्या ये तुम्हें पसंद आया? Do you like this? Do you like this? क्या तुमने इसे बनाया? Did you make this? Did you make this? ये कितना बड़ा है? How big is this? How big is this? ये कहाँ बना है? Where is this made? Where is this made? क्या तुम्हें ये समझ में आया? Did you understand this? Did you understand this? मुझे इस बारे में बताओ. Tell me about this. Tell me about this. क्या ये तुम्हारे पास है? Do you have this? Do you have this? क्या तुम उसे जानते हो? Do you know him? Do you know her? क्या ये तुम्हें समझ में आया? Did you get it? Did you get it? मुझे ये समझ नहीं आया. I didn't get this. I didn't get this. ये बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. This is very good. तुमने ये कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? क्या ये यहाँ है? Is it here? Is it here? तुमने किससे लिया? Whom did you take it from? Who did you take it from? ये क्या होता है? What is this? What is this? क्या ये तुम्हारा काम है? Is this your work? Is this your work? मुझे इसे देखना है. I need to see this. I need to see this. क्या तुमने इसे देखा है? Have you seen this? Have you seen this? मुझे ये वापस चाहिए. I want this back. I want this back. मुझे कुछ चाहिए. I need something. I need something. क्या तुमने इसे पूरा किया? Did you complete it? Did you complete it? मुझे इसमें मदद चाहिए. I need help with this. I need help with this. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is he here? Is she here? तुमने किससे बात की? Who did you talk to? Who did you talk to? मुझे ये दिखाओ. Show me this. Show me this. क्या ये ठीक है? Is this fine? Is this fine? क्या तुम्हें यकीन है? Are you sure? Are you sure? मुझे ये काम चाहिए. I need this work. I need this work. क्या ये तुम्हारे पास है? Do you have it? Do you have it? ये किसके पास है? Who has this? Who has this? ये किसने दिया? Who gave this? Who gave this? ये कब हुआ था? When did this happen? When did this happen? ये किसके लिए था? Who was it for? Who was it for? क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see him? Did you see her? तुमने किससे बात की? Whom did you talk to? Whom did you talk to? क्या ये आसान था? Was it easy? Was it easy? ये कितना पुराना है? How old is this? How old is this? मुझे ये कैसे करना है? How do I do this? How do I do this? क्या ये जरूरी है? Is this necessary? Is this necessary? क्या तुमने उससे बात की? Did you talk to him? Did you talk to her? क्या ये सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? तुमने ये कैसे बनाया? How did you make this? How did you make this? क्या ये तुम्हें मिला? Did you get this? Did you get this? क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? क्या ये तुम्हारे लिए है? Is this for you? Is this for you? मुझे ये अभी चाहिए. I need this now. I need this now. क्या ये तुम्हें पता है? Do you know this? Do you know this? तुम्हें ये किससे लिया? Who did you take this from? Who did you take this from? क्या ये वही है? Is this the same? Is this the same? मुझे ये वापस चाहिए. I need it back. I need it back. ये किसके पास है? Who has it? Who has it? तुमने इसे कब देखा? When did you see this? When did you see this? क्या ये तुम्हारे पास था? Did you have this? Did you have this? ये कितने का है? How much is this? How much is this? ये कहाँ से आया? Where did this come from? Where did this come from? क्या ये सच है? Is this true? Is this true? मुझे इसे समझने में मदद चाहिए. I need help understanding this. I need help understanding this. क्या तुमने इसे सुना? Did you hear this? Did you hear this? क्या तुमने इसे लिखा? Did you write this? Did you write this? क्या ये तुम्हारा था? Was it yours? Was it yours? मुझे ये अभी चाहिए. I need it now. I need it now. क्या ये ठीक है? Is this okay? Is this okay? क्या ये मुश्किल था? Was it difficult? Was it difficult? ये किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? क्या तुमने इसे देखा? Did you see it? Did you see it? ये किसके बारे में है? What is this about? What is this about? ये कितना बड़ा है? How big is this? How big is this? ये कब से है? Since when is this? Since when is this? क्या ये तुम्हारे लिए मुश्किल था? Was it hard for you? Was it hard for you? मुझे अभी मदद चाहिए. I need help now. I need help now. क्या ये तुम्हें पता है? Do you know about this? Do you know about this? ये कहाँ से मिला? Where did you get this from? Where did you get this from? तुमने इसे कब लिया? When did you take this? When did you take this? और इसी के साथ हमारी आज की वीडियो होती है कंप्लीट। आशा करती हूँ कि आपको इस वीडियो में से कुछ अच्छा सीखने को मिला होगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा और ऐसी और वीडियोस को देखने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। थैंक यू so much for watching. See you until the next video. Bye bye.